Mike's in his third year in the team. He is a former Hawk flying instructor, Harrier GR9 pilot and Tornado GR4 pilot. We need to look left and right for the rolls. Using their feet to swing the jets out like a pendulum in line astern. We fly our formations usually with the odd-numbered pilots on the left and the even-numbered pilots on the right. But in this shape, it's the other way around. We've got reds 2 and 4 on the left, reds 3 and 5 on the right. They want to switch back to their normal sides now, so they're going to do this in the slalom. Now you've got reds 2 and 4 on the right, reds 3 and 5 on the left. Red 1 calls power. He's now squeezing a little bit more throttle on to get more thrust from the engine. He is now calling tightening, squeezing to around 3.5 to 4G. He's called red on go. The pilots reach up and right with their right thumbs on the control column to operate the red smoke button. Now white on go, using the same thumb to put the white smoke on and the red smoke off as they present battle formation. Now looking to the right-hand side, here comes Chippo. This is the Hurricane. Hurricane rolling with coloured smoke around red 6 and 7, who roll inverted and upright at different stages during that fabulous Hurricane manoeuvre. Now look to the wrong, they're going to fly the Revolution. Rolling down. Rolling down. Rolling down. Each of the pilots there flying an aileron roll manoeuvre, essentially a full left-hand control column input to roll the aircraft very rapidly around its longitudinal axis. 8 and 9 with the coloured smoke rolling around the synchro pair. They then roll. Here we go. This is the Jippo break. Changing from blue to white on the left-hand side is red 7, synchro number 2, Flight Lieutenant Cy Taylor. Cy is in his second year in the team. He's a former Tornado GR4 pilot and then moved across to fly the Typhoon. Cy's got some friends here today and he would like to say a big hello to Jill and Chris Rowlands, who in fact I believe got married yesterday, right in front of me. Hello from Simon to you guys, congratulations. Cy on the left, back to 100 feet, Tom on the right. Here we go. This is the double rolls. Paul goes as red 6, coloured smoke, 6G, 20 degrees nose up, upside down at 300 feet, back down to 100, ready to cross in the middle. Full power again, 6G, upside down, finishing the very colourful double rolls. Now we need to look to the left-hand side as we look for Enid. Here they come with their white smoke on. The inside pilots now pitch up to the outside as they fly the rollbacks. Entering a left-hand turn. Now we need to look left and right again for the synchro pair and their final manoeuvre. This time, red 6 comes from the left and red 7 from the right. Here they come with their white smoke on. They are closing at 800 miles per hour. They're going to cross 3 times in opposing 360-degree turns, each pulling 6G. Here we go for the synchro pair and the carousel. Again, full power, coloured smoke, 6G. Remember, the pilots work very hard, pulling 6G. The blood wants to go out of their brains into their feet. So they wear special inflating trousers around their legs to try and stop that happening. Around the back, they will switch colour from red to blue and vice versa. Coming round the front, they're going to switch back to white smoke. Now everybody here at Eastbourne, please show your appreciation for the synchro pair! Now looking straight ahead in the distance, you'll see Enid have been joined by reds 8 and 9 for the display's finale. One rolling, says red 1, he pitches up with his red smoke on. He's drawing the mathematical symbol for infinity around the rest of the formation. This is the infinity break. You have been watching the Royal Air Force aerobatic team, the Red Arrows! Just put some white smoke onto the front left so the other 8 aircraft can get visual with him as quickly as possible. They're going to recover to Biggin Hill Airport where our team of engineers will service the jets, ready for what is a very busy day tomorrow. We're starting the performances here at midday tomorrow, and then we've got to display the Biggin Hill Airshow and then the Herne Bay Airshow, so a very busy day for the team tomorrow. If you'd like to find out more about the team, first and foremost, please do visit our support staff here in our public relations unit. If you are on the internet, please visit our website, raf.mod.uk/reds, Facebook, Royal Air Force Red Arrows, Twitter @RAF Red Arrows, and on Instagram, RAF Red Arrows. If you are fans of the Red Arrows and also supercars, then you do have the chance to win a very special limited edition Aston Martin Vanquish S car. These have been designed on the Red Arrows aircraft. Only 10 of them have been made. Reds 1 to 9 have been sold privately. Red 10 is actually up for raffle on behalf of the Royal Air Force Benevolent Fund. If you'd like a chance of winning that car, which incidentally is worth £275,000, you can go to rafbf.org/red10 or just Google Aston Martin Red Arrows. It'll be the first hit. You can then pay £20 to enter that raffle. You'll be supporting a fantastic charity and have a very good chance of winning that car. So the pilots are now heading off to Biggin Hill. I'm going to catch them up to go and debrief the sortie. I hope to see a lot of you here tomorrow on the seafront. Thank you very much for watching and for listening. It's been an absolute pleasure, and I wish you all the very best on behalf of the Red Arrows. Have a great afternoon, everyone.
Big round of applause for Squad Leader Mike Lang, Red 10. Thank you very much indeed. Fantastic show. Yeah, very popular. He's made that job his own now, but sadly he has to move on at the end of this year. But we've got 2 more displays to go yet before he hangs his hat up at Airbourne. So anyway, we have a little gap now.
Aircraft they're flying in, and the aircraft on its own is going to work really hard to get back here and corkscrew around all 3 slopes. The extra 300 in which they're flying in is an extremely dynamic aircraft. It's got even dedicated to our pilots from the aerolite. And again, it's a fantastic way to see underneath the aircraft. Please get ready for the aerolite box bend. And Airbourne has just called line of stand, as you'll see them formate into. This is for our next maneuver, a maneuver dedicated to the Battle of Britain. This is our Spitfire roll. All aircraft will wait for the one in front to hit 45 degrees before beginning their roll beneath. And as you know, it's extremely windy today, so they are doing a fantastic job of making it look as good as it does. The blade performed in 2006 by two ex-RAF pilots, Andy Offer and Megan Olsen. They're also part of the parent company called 2XL Aviation, which is growing rapidly since 2006. We now have 9 primary business streams, which include things like wheel spill response, sideways, and this is for crazy. And the team is going straight into their next maneuver. This is Kirsty Murphy, Blade 3's favourite maneuver. They're going to form the whirlpool for you. And you're going to see the sky, a lovely great position for you here. And Kirsty Murphy in Blade 3 position, as I've said, it is her birthday. She has over 23 years of flying experience. She is the first ever female Red Arrow and still remains the only female Red Arrow. Tornado is the Air Force and has just recently qualified as an instructor on the X300, the aircraft which the Blade is flying in. She's been with the Blade for 2 seasons now, would you like to have her back for a second? And for the team's next manoeuvre, they're going to pull up into the course of Rover as they prepare for their second race of the display.
Terus kita itu nak agak-agak
Please get your cameras ready for the band break. And again, sticking with the aircraft on the left-hand side, Blade 2 and 3 to prepare work. They're going to form the air launch back for you. And so you're 12 o'clock now, Blade 4 and 4 are going to pull up into their tools, and they're going to stall turn towards each other at only 12 feet apart with a beak-to-beak cross. As I said, there's no easy team today. It's the Thursday o'clock, meaning we are world champions of formation air assets. And right now, Blade 1 is inverted on the left, and they pull up 2 aircraft will be experiencing different detours here. And they're going to shoot them away from each other. That was the line of rest 06. And sticking with them for one last time, they're going to pull up into their 2 and form a gyroscopic maneuver for you here, demonstrating just why we use the X300. They're going to flip the tail over the nose of the aircraft for twin tumbles. And out into the distance, we're going to see Blades 2 and 3 corner maneuvers here. And the Olympic Day 2 function. He's been with the team since 2006. He is quite possibly the most experienced extra 300 pilot in the world, over 2,500 hours in this aircraft. He also flew the Jaguar whilst he was in the Air Force, and was also a special advisor to the Saudi Hawks for a number of years. He truly is a world-class pilot. And right now, it's going to be a good official, and the last time they are going to cross in the centre of the bay line at 350 miles per hour. And as you can see, out of the distance, the blue sky, blades 1 and 4 are going to pull up again, and they're going to form an absolutely stunning manoeuvre together here. They're going to show you nice edge spin. And as I said, you can experience maneuvers just like this by coming and flying with the blades. So right now, blade 4 up at more for his final solo performance, beginning with the centrifuge. And it's actually Mark Cutmore's 10th blade season with the blade. A very special year for him. Everyone would like to give him a massive round of applause for what. And if we look to our right now, blades 1, 2 and 3 are approaching smoke on. Blades 2 and 3 at the back are going to roll around blade 1 to smoke. And especially here on home, it's going to work really hard to get back, slide directly underneath them. And this is called the juice and gapping. This power here to match blade 2, top and bottom of each roll. Making him an absolute superb. And as you just saw there, blade 4 on his own, he's now performing the latitude rejoin, an old RAF manoeuvre, which enables him to get back quickly as he will do here. Unfortunately for our last manoeuvre, it's been an absolute pleasure commentating for you today. And what lovely weather we've had. It's our second day of displaying at Eastbourne, and we are displaying tomorrow and Sunday as well. We're also going to do a quick video competition tomorrow to select a picture of our day, which will win a play goodie bag. But for now, this is our last manoeuvre, our sixth manoeuvre, blade break. Thank you very much. That's been the 2017 Ladies Airbourne team. Have a lovely day.
Fantastic job too from Andy Stone there. Thank you very much, Andy, for leading us through that. Really informative and interesting stuff. And another great happy birthday to Kirsty as well. I'm sure they'll be looking after her this evening in the hotel. Alright, so don't rush away yet, and we're pretty hopeful that the S16s we are crossing the Atlantic, somewhere actually take the channel. There's multiple inputs here you can identify as I'm speaking, and I'm pretty confident that we're going to see them. So just hold on to your hands for a second. just heard the call, the two F-16, and the right behind us, just around 20-30 miles away, there have been some heavy thunderstorms and very big showers as well. So you are in the best place to be. Here they are coming in from the left-hand side now. Please welcome from Belgium, two F-16. Absolutely stunning colour scheme as well, and that's designed to show the distinctive contrasting colours in flight on both the upper and lower side of the aircraft. Designed in different layers, on which both the water seats and the smoke are meant to superimpose, and that's complemented design. It really is stunning. Those of you with long-range lenses there, we get some great shots of this machine. Slowing her down now, coming back into one of those high alpha passes that we were discussing earlier on. Stick fully back to around about 110 miles an hour. Very much natural position for a RCM to be in, but of course all highly computer controlled. One of the early computer designated high-wire aircraft. Used by a huge number of air forces, geographically split as far as Pakistan, Chile, Greece, and many others. Well, I've just been told that they're on a limited fuel margin, so this is gives me a particular one of these hard things that will be having to pass. So I well understand that they've got to get back to being able to get fueled up again. Well, they've done really well to squeeze it in there because at one stage they weren't going to make it at all. So currently